Thank you for purchasing the raised garden bed set. The box contains 2 raised garden beds, 1 set of extension legs, 4 stabilizing feet, 8 thumb screws, 2 capillary mats. Step 1. Turn over so feet are facing in the upright position. Step 2. Pull leg to the upright position. Step 3. Push leg down to lock into place. Step 4. Pull the second leg to the upright position. Step 5. Push leg down to lock it into place. Step 6. To attach stabilizing foot, push down and into the sockets in the planter legs for each stabilizing foot. Do one side, repeat for the other. Step 7. Flip the planter over so that it is upright and on its feet. Step 8. Open larger front and back panels all the way and fold to upright position. Push panels down until completely seated into the planter's base. Step 9. With the large front and back panels in the upright position, unfold both end panels so that they lock into the front and back panels. Step 10. Use thumb screws in each corner of planter to secure end panels to planter walls. Thumb screws are self-threading and turn clockwise. How to attach leg extensions. Step 11. To attach the optional extension legs, flip planter over so legs are pointing upwards. If stabilizing feet have been previously attached, remove them and set aside. Step 12. To attach the extension legs, insert into the planter leg sockets and push down until firmly secure. Repeat this step for the other end. Step 13. To attach stabilizing foot, push down and into the sockets in the planter legs for each stabilizing foot. Do one side, repeat for the other. Step 14. Turn the planter upright. You are now ready to install the capillary mat. Step 15. Unfold and flatten capillary mat. Step 16. Insert the 2 long tabs on each side of the mat into slots on the base of the planter. Ensure tabs are all the way into the storage tanks. Fill with soil, plant beautiful flowers, healthy herbs, and/or vegetables, and enjoy.